everyone, welcome to the another video of Cambridge IT College. Today on this video we are going to see how can we make a pendrive bootable. For making a pendrive bootable, you should have the ISO file of the operating system which you want to boot into your pendrive and one software as well as the pendrive that can store the ISO file into it. So let's start the video for making a pendrive bootable. For making the pendrive bootable, you should have to download one of the software to boot the file into the pendrive. For that, open any browser you like. I will open the Microsoft Edge. In the search bar, just type Rufus and hit the enter. The search engine provides you the different search result. Just visit the first link, which is the official link of the Rufus software. It will redirect you to the official website of Rufus. In the official website, here you see the download options. There are the different versions of the download. I will just download the latest version. You can also download the latest version. For downloading it, just click on it and it will ask for you to download. I just click on the start. Now the download has been completed. I will close it and I will close the browser also. After downloaded the program, I will open the folder where I have downloaded my program. I just click on this PC and in the download section, in the program, I have downloaded my software. Just open the software and it will ask for you the administration permission. Just click on yes. After that, just click on no and the software has been opened. Now connect your pendrive to the computer system. After connecting the pendrive, here you see the pendrive has shown. If you have connected the multiple pendrive, then you can select the pendrive from here. I haven't connected the multiple pendrive, so I will just leave it here. In here, just leave as it is and click on the select for select your ISO file. And here I will visit the location where I have downloaded my ISO file. Here is my ISO file. I will just click one of the ISO file and open it. Leave other thing as usual and click on start. And it will ask for you to write permission on the pendrive. Just click on OK and just click on yes. Again click on OK. After that, your bootable process has been started. Wait it for to complete. Finally, the bootable process has been completed. You can use this pendrive for formatting any computer you want. If you want any other video dedicated on the certain topic, then mention the topic into the comment section. We will try to make the video on that topic. Thank you for watching the video.